The second formation, Thank You, India. Thank you, India, for the historical and social ties that go back to centuries of Gurukul relationship, for being the fountainhead of the Buddha Dharma that has shaped our civilization, for giving us a home away from home when we met with national tragedy, for providing us space and support to reconstruct our lives in exile with dignity. Thank you, India. The fourth formation, Thank You, Himachal. Himachal Pradesh is a significant place for the Tibetan community in exile. Not only is it the residence of His Holiness and the seat of the Central Tibetan Administration, but also the location of many TCV schools. In April 1960, His Holiness left the hill station of Mussoorie and arrived at Dharamshala. Today, on this occasion, we thank the government and the people of Himachal Pradesh for their continuing hospitality and utmost support. Thank you, Himachal.